Hey friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a haul video for you guys. This is actually everything that I picked up during the month of August. I know I'm a little bit behind, so most of this stuff has been sitting on my desk for a couple of weeks, but I'm just getting around to filming and sharing with you guys all the things that'll be coming up on my channel. So my first order was from Butterfly Reflections Inc. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside and go through things one at a time. My first couple of items are from Hello Bluebird, and the first being this adorable Otter Friends stamp. This is super cute. I already do have a few otter stamps from different companies, but these were just so sweet. I couldn't resist. I especially love this little mother and baby otter here that are cuddling. I just love the way Hello Bluebird does their illustrations. I think they're so adorable. And I also did pick up the matching dies. The next one that I got was an older set. This is one of their earlier sets called Woodland Littles. So I don't know how many of you guys know this, but if you shop at Butterfly Reflections Inc., you actually earn points for every purchase. And so you can accrue those points and then use them to pick up new items. So I actually got this for free, both the stamp set and the die set, by using my points. I had been saving them for a really long time, so that's how I was able to do this. So this was free. So that was really cool. I love these little critters. I think they're so adorable. I love this little squirrel and the little fox. They're all so cute. But I thought this was perfect timing, you know, for now that we're in September to be doing more fall-themed cards. And I did pick up the matching dies as well. And then I know it's a little bit early, but I've been already thinking about my Christmas card series. So I also got this set here from Hello Bluebird. This is Frosty Friends. I think this is such a great stamp set. It has so many different images. I can already think of several card designs using this set. You've got the penguins, you've got the snowmen, you've got a little reindeer and the little bear. Just so, so cute, and some great sentiments, little icebergs, some trees, and a gift. Very, very cute. And I also did pick up this one with my points as well. So I still need to get the dies for this set, but at least I got the stamp set for now. So that'll definitely be one of the first stamp sets that I'll be using for my Christmas card series this year, which I hope to start filming relatively soon. Alright, the next set I got from Avery L, and this is from the brand new release. This is called Starry Scene, and I just love this great background image. I think it looked really cool when they did like their little video of quick cards. And then you've got a couple of trees and a mountaintop and then a couple of stars as well that you can add. And I did get the matching dies for that as well. And then I also picked up the bookworm dies that I did not get previously for the Mama Elephant bookworm stamp set. So this is the coordinating dies for that. So I finally was able to get those. They were sold out for a really long time. The last couple of things I got from Butterfly Reflections Inc. were some pattern paper pads. You guys know how I love my pattern paper. So this one is the Celebrate Autumn from Echo Park. And I've actually already used some of the pages, so I'll just take out those for right now and flip through. You get, I think, 2 of every sheet. Really great fall images and color palette, and I love that pop of dusty aqua in there as well. It's just something different. Very cool. So the card that I made with this pattern paper pad was this one here that just went up on my channel today. This is September 3rd, Labor Day, and features these really cute little squirrels and a leaf pile. So you can check out that video if you haven't seen it yet. And then the other pads that I got were the Fall Breeze from Photo Play. And I'll flip through that one for you. Another really great color palette, and they've also got that dusty aqua in there, so just in a different variation. So this one I believe you get 3 of every design. Super fun. And then the last one I got was from Craft. This is the Hide and Seek. This one is actually 6.5 by 6.5, so it's just slightly larger. And this one is also got some fall shades to it, but it's also got that dusty aqua and also dusty pink and some golden tones. Just thought it was really different. Could almost extend into winter for some of these patterns. So there is a look at that one, and then at the end with the Craft, you always get like these little things you can pop out and use on your cards or scrapbook pages as well. So that was my entire order from Butterfly Reflections Inc. The rest of my stuff is from MFT. So the first thing I picked up were the Hit the Slopes slider dies, and that was because I was making this card here for the August edition of Christy Gets Crafty with My Favorite Things. So it features this little bunny ballerina that's at her little dance recital, and she kind of leaps back and forth across the page or across the card. So that's up on the MFT channel. If you haven't checked that out, you can do that. And then again, thinking towards Christmas, I picked up these little winter trees. I just love the stitching detail and the small size of them. I thought they'd look great in backgrounds. So I went ahead and grabbed those. And then they also sent me the Free with 60 at that time, which was the Birthday Girl Boy. I believe this is going to be released in the September release on the September 8th. So if you want to get your hands on that, you can do that shortly. I picked up a couple of paper pads from MFT as well. The Fun and Frolic was the first one. And there's a look at that one. Really colorful. It's got some fall images with the leaves, but it's also got a really fresh rainbow palette that works great for every day as well. And this is the card that I made using that paper pad. So features these little crocodiles or alligators from the Neat and Tangled Later Alligator stamp set, and that is up on my channel already if you haven't seen that. And then the other one I got was the On Point Patterns from MFT, and this one again is kind of more muted, boyish patterns, although it does have that little pop of peach in there as well, which is fun. Very nice. And then a couple of supply items. I got some more of the stamp pockets. These are the extra large ones that are good for the large MFT stamps. I'm also kind of starting to store some of my dies in these, and as I continue to do that, if I like that system, I will share more with you. I used to use the Crafter's Companion easy magnetic storage system, but they're no longer making the panels for that, and I ran out a long time ago, so I need another solution. So I'm thinking of storing all my dies in these large stamp pockets, and like I said, I'm kind of testing it out, and if I decide that I like it, I will share more with you guys. And then last but not least, I got a couple of cardstocks. I got the Gravel Gray. So this is kind of a darker, cool toned gray. And then I also got the Black Licorice. I was running out of my black cardstock, so I went ahead and picked up a pack of that, especially with fall approaching, Halloween and that. And not that I really make Halloween cards, but just that darker time of year, I think black is a really good base color to have your colors pop against. And then I also picked up some Blue Raspberry. So this is just a slightly darker shade than my favorite Snow Cone. So I thought that I would try that out, and I also thought it looked really good for winter cards as well. So that was everything in my haul for the month of August. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. You've probably already seen some of these items in use on my channel, and definitely there will be more of them coming up in the upcoming weeks and months. I also did pick up a few things from the Lawn Fawn release, but I'm waiting to share those items because I have one more thing coming. So as soon as that arrives in the mail, I'll go ahead and share that with you guys, hopefully later this week or next week. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful Labor Day. Bye-bye. Let me know down in the comment section below which item was your favorite or what you might like to see me use in an upcoming video. Here's also 2 extra videos featuring the cards that I showed during the haul, so hopefully you'll check those out, and thank you again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.